Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll look into Zoho Books for small and medium companies where you want to track invoices, sales, purchases, expenses. So this is a Zoho Books and I'm in the main page now where you can see the dashboards which will give you the cash flow reports for current year, previous year or whole year. You can put the filters out there. So these are like standard reports and can also be modified. And now we'll look into these are the modules which Zoho Books provide: purchase, sales. You also have project tracking, timesheet management, and you can also file VAT filing for especially for UAE businesses. It also have integration with corporate tax reporting. So let us first start with the item creation. So you can also create it used for both business like trading and the services. So these are the items that we have created already. Let us take one of as an example. So in this item you can add your photos. You can also add opening stock. This gives you detailed transactions, basically last purchase orders, sales orders, invoices, etc. And you can get everything in detail in history. So if somebody has edited it, you'll get history logs for the admin users. So this is how the item master is created. So you can add your selling price, cost price, etc. So we'll not go into depth on this demo. So let us start with sales module where you can create quotation, you can create sales orders, invoice, and let us look into customer management. So these are like customizable dashboards. What you can see here, you can add whatever the details you want to add. These are the standard headers. You can enable or disable from here. So I'm enabling here few of them. You can see it out here, right? So let us take one as an example. So you get a dashboard, a small dashboard where you can see opening balance, all those statements, previous transaction, that what we saw in item, right? So same thing goes to the client. And in customer, you also get detailed customer statements. Like here, you get a detailed customer statement. It can be downloadable with PDF, Excel, whatever you want to do it. So this is item master creation. You can create multiple contacts. You can add custom fields onto the customer details if you want to have. You can do it. You can maintain multiple currencies. And these will look into the invoices now. So in the invoice module, so you can come here, add your customer. So invoice can also be pulled from sales order directly. You can convert the sales order into invoices. You can add your salesman. If you want to add multiple salesmen, you can come and create salesman like I'm doing here now. So if you are if there is no sales orders or quotation, you want to directly make an invoice, you can directly make it, or else you can pull all the details from the sales order itself. So let us look into an option where I can bring the details from the sales order. So you can add any kind of additional fields which can be custom fields. Zoho, this particular version provides up to 135 additional fields you can create. You can see here now I have pulled it from the sales order. This also gives you profit margin on line items. So there are different inventory valuation it gives, FIFO and weighted average. So let us save this transaction. So you can directly make an email from here. I'm selecting not. So I'll just send it as mark as sent. And now let us open the PDF, or you want to send it with PDF, print it. You can do whatever you want to do it. And you can also change it to multiple different templates. If you're using pre-printed stationery or a normal invoice, we can able to help you with this. So now right now it's a default format which is there. And you want to record any payment that you have received, you can select different payment mode that you have received with. You can select enters, so the status will show as paid. So you can see in the status bar here. The same way we'll look into the purchase. So same way the purchase order, you actually receive the item, then you can make the bills, same way it goes. And let us also look into the expense over here. You can record personal expenses, you can record all your company expenses like marketing expense or fuel expense. You can enter the amount, you can attach any files, you can attach the details over here which is mentioned, and then you can save. If you want to bulk upload the expenses, you can also do it at the end of the month. And then we'll look into the details. So we'll not explain more in depth of project management or on this. In next video we will explain you all those things. So this is the chart of accounts. Chart of account, you can create all of your chart of accounts with multiple groupings, multiple levels, with the account code as well. And these are the reports, which is standard accounting reports, P&L. And the P&L can be compared with previous year, previous period. You can customize the period. You can change the date range over here. Okay, and run. So you'll get whole here P&L. So likewise, we have balance sheet, trial balance. All of these are inbuilt reports. And if you want to see the performance of your salesman, performance reports, you will get salesman wise sales, profit by items, all those things that you can want to see the reports on the sales side, you will get. These are the receivable reports, payable reports that we have. So we'll not go into individual reporting. These are the standard reports that is there in the Zoho Books. What you can do is you can also sign up, get a free trial. If you need any help, we will there to help you out. You can reach out to the below contact number I have mentioned. So you can reach us out or you can drop us a mail, however you are comfortable. We will happy to help you out on this. Thank you.